Hello, scientists. I am going to go over the instructions for today's assignment. As you saw on our Google Classroom page, we are working asynchronously today. That means off of Zoom. So the instructions are on the Google Classroom post, but I'm going to go over them here in this video. So number 1, complete the Google check-in form. The link is listed below. And remember, this Google form is really important because this counts as your attendance. So if you do not submit this Google form, you will be marked absent for today. Number 2, if you have not completed your Google Doc from lesson number 3, part 2, depression worksheet, you need to complete and turn it in. See the video from yesterday and the directions from yesterday's post. Number 3, play the individual Kahoot with your real name. The link is right here below. I will be looking to see that you played it, and it reviews things that we've gone over, like things about stress, anxiety, facts about depression. So it's meant to be a review. Number 4, have a great spring break. Your homeroom teachers will see you back at 9:50 a.m. at regular time on April 12th, and they will have more information about the schedule for that week as it will be changing. And as always, if you need help, I will be online all day, so you can reach me at my email, and you can also text or call me with questions. Please be checking your email if you do have questions. If you put questions in the Google form, make sure you're checking your email because that is how I'm going to communicate with you. Have a great spring break, everyone, and have a great weekend.